Hey there, Keely Schmidt here, 31 consultant, wanting to come and share with you our basic bestsellers enrollment kit, because right now all of our enrollment kits are 31% off through January 23rd. And if you are a 31 fan, I can tell you that this is the best deal you could get in the catalog. Or the other kits, I mean, are even better. But if you're looking for the top best-selling items and best price, I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with this bestseller kit. Um, it has got in it um, 8 products, and the Benjamin wallet is one of them. And this Benjamin wallet is 58 on its own with the wristlet, 68. And so the basic bestseller kit is $59 regularly, $40.70 when you take the 31% off. And so the kit alone, or the price you pay, is less than just the Benjamin wallet alone. So if you're thinking about a Benjamin wallet, now's the time to get it, plus a whole bunch of other things. Um, so the Benjamin wallet has a zip around. It's got pockets here, spot for bills. In here we have more card slots, if you can see that, and another zipper section here with another spot here for more gift cards, paperwork, checkbook, and you can fit a phone in here and zip it. We got your wristlet, so if you're going, just to run at the gas station or a quick Target run, you can carry it without a purse. So Benjamin wallet is included in the bestseller kit, and then the Littles carry-all caddy. And just so you know, this is an older print that I bought quite a few things in. I really liked it. But all of the kits, you can pick which prints you want from the current product selection. So that is what is really nice now about our kits. You can personalize it, pick the products you want. And on the basic bestseller kit, you actually can also personalize one of the items. And I'll tell you which one that is in a second. So this is the Littles caddy. I have a whole bunch of them that say bless you. I have them all over the house. They just make me smile. The personalization, is just something that makes 31 unique. There's the little net pocket back here. I actually use a key fob and clip it around the back of the passenger seat, so I can always know there's Kleenex in there. So that is the Littles carry-all caddy that is included in the kit, basic bestseller kit. And then we have the zipper pouch. This zipper pouch is something, when I first joined, I had gotten a couple in my kit, and I was like, I'm never going to use these, and I gave them away. And now they're probably one of the items I actually really could not function without, because I have learned the value of actually labeling what's in them. I tried for a while to just get different colors and put things in different, not like I'd remember what was in each one. And I spent more time having to look and think, oh yeah, that's what's in there. And so now I actually have stayed much more organized when I'm out and about. I have like 6 of these that I use when I travel, or if, I'm going to be gone for a little while. So the zipper, and it has a nice inside poly or like PVC type lining that can be, it's like a plasticky, so it can be wiped out real easily. And yeah, so these are invaluable in my opinion now for my life. So that is the zipper pouch that comes with this kit. And then the essential storage tote. This is a fan favorite. I have been, for a long time, I was not always a huge fan of this one. I do like the other ones better, but I have been carrying this one a lot recently, and it has come in handy for just being able to walk out the door when I have to go to an appointment. And this is the one you can choose your personalization on. This is the charcoal crosshatch, which is still available. And your personalization for the basic bestseller kit is on this item. That's the one you can personalize. So it's a little bigger than a grocery bag for size. It folds nice and flat, so you can fold it up. Right now I have my stuff. I was just in the urgency room. So for a kidney stone, thank heaven they gave me stuff for pain meds. But so two of these will also fit in the deluxe utility tote, which makes then, you can grab it from a trunk, great trunk solution, so that you can, don't have to bring the whole thing in if you don't want to. So then we have the thermal tote. This is the item that has been with 31, or in 31's product line since the beginning, or since the second catalog. It is a great thermal tote. It's, got a little wider bottom here and tapers to the top, two handles. It slides into another bag very nicely. When I used to work at my daughter's school, I would slide it into my zip top utility tote, and then I could also fit my purse or other zipper pouches, things like that. And this is another item that actually is in the essential, or in the bestseller kit. This is an older print. This is the solid black from a long time ago, but the essential, or the zip top utility tote here, has pockets on the outside. People are often worried that things are going to fall out, but unless you actually really, I have, I'm not gonna say I haven't tipped it, but you have to be really bending over to tip things out. Like when I drop my keys on the ground, if I don't remember, and I have this filled with pens and stuff, then I had tipped it, and when you stop and it's not braced, then it's dumped all over the floor when I've had it in the car and not situated properly. But it is a tote that I used for going to work every day. Loved it. Side pockets for water bottles, or gloves in the winter. And then there's 3 pockets on this side, 2 on this. This personalization lands nicely right in the middle there. And then the zip top you can fold in, so you don't have to keep it zipped if you don't want to. I'm not somebody who usually zips any of my bags unless it's raining. But so the zip top utility tote is also in this bestseller kit. So with the thermal tote, I will say, if you're somebody who brings leftovers to work, like in Tupperware, that or around the clock thermal is a better thermal for that, because it's a square. It's got a square bottom and top. So this one doesn't fit as well. It's good for the sandwich containers, snacks, water bottles, lunch bowls. But so just something to keep in mind there for which thermal you might be more likely to use. So, and then last but certainly not least, our #1 bestseller, the large utility tote. And this is why I bought a kit in the first place, actually, because I wanted another one of these totes and all the other bags, and I was going to be a kidnapper. So there is fair warning. 31 calls people who buy the kit, and run kidnappers. I was absolutely going to be one of those. I told the person I was joining under, I do not want you to call me, reach out to me, nothing. I'm not doing this because I just want the bags. That was almost 9 years ago. Here I am. It is my favorite thing to do, and the community of women is just more supportive than I could have ever imagined. They say, it's sisterhood, which sounded a little cultish to me. But to be honest, through COVID, I've had more support with the women with 31 than my family. It sounds awful, but I've had people reach out, and I've reached out, and the community is just really wonderful and positive. And I can say I never have had an interaction with a 31 person or meeting where I walked away feeling worse about myself. And that is something I value and cannot say about a lot of other interactions. So there's value for me in that. If you are somebody who just needs more people, maybe you want to, have more time with friends or friends and, other women. I will stay with 31 because of the sisterhood, quite frankly. I just absolutely love it. I mean, obviously my #1 will always be getting more bags and getting them for free or discounted, but the people is truly quite amazing. So there's my 31 plug for that. But the large utility tote, back to that, I have ADD, can you tell? For those of you who don't know me or haven't seen any other of my videos. large utility tote. It folds flat. It's great for grocery stores. All of the, you can, when you're not using it, it's great because it does store flat. I do call this the gateway tote. Because often once you have one, you use it for, you know, something, and then you realize, oh, I want to use my tote and I don't want to empty it out. And I need it. I could use it for going to the lake. I could use it for groceries. I could use it for, you know, sports stuff for my child. And it you know, it can become an addiction. So it's a good thing though, you know, for most of us. So I have a support group for that. If you ever become an addict and need that VIP group, there you go. So, large utility tote, it is our #1 seller, and truly there are so many uses for it. Yeah, so all of this you can get in the bestseller kit for $40.70. The retail value is $264 for what comes in the kit. So if you're interested, definitely let me know and I can give you the link to join. Like I said, it is, you can get the kit and run, but usually when somebody joins, I help them do a launch party just to try it out and see, because you just never know. And then you also get all of the products, plus they have a get started plan that you also get free product when you have a party, in addition, you know. So at 500 and 1,000, and most people when we do a party, you know, end up with for sure getting their kit money back, and more product on top of that, plus then all the hostess stuff. So I love to help people get started and see and just test it out. I always say you can try it on for a season and see. And right now with 31% off the kits, it is really a way to do it without a huge investment, which even our most expensive kit is $179, and you get almost $800 worth of product, I want to say. So, but $40.70 for $264 worth of product. So think about it. All right. Thanks for tuning in.